Today I'll show you how to insert a 3D model into a real photo using Rendair AI and get a realistic result in seconds. Then take another photo from the same site, place the same model again, and generate renders from different angles. Finally, you can turn these scenes into smooth, cinematic animations, all inside one platform, Rendair AI. You can also do the same for interiors. Take a photo of your living room, place a 3D model of your coffee table into the space, render it instantly, and even create animations. Let me show you how. First, open your 3D model. Mine is in SketchUp, and we need to export it as an OBJ file. Go to File, Export. Export as OBJ. Perfect. Now we have the file ready. Now go to Rendair AI, log into your account, and open the Edit feature. Choose Insert and Modify. First, we need a site photo. Open your site location, take a photo or a screenshot, and drag and drop it into Rendair. Once the image is uploaded, this panel will appear. Click here and choose Upload 3D Object, then select your OBJ file. Now you can see the 3D model inside the photo. At this stage, it's very important to carefully match the perspective and the scale. Take your time here. When you're happy, click Done. Now we can adjust the parameters. My model is white, so I don't want its original color. I'll set color strength to 0, but I want the geometry to stay accurate, so I'll keep shape strength around 60. Cozy cottage-style family house with a pitched roof and a small covered porch. Chimney on the side, octagonal round window above the porch. Multiple traditional windows, horizontal facade, and shingled roof. Suburb family house in USA. Finally, click Generate. After a few seconds, we get these results. I like this one the most, so I'll download it. Now let's take another photo of the same site from a different angle. Move forward, take another screenshot, go back to the same tab, delete the previous image, and upload the new one. Drag and drop the same 3D model again. Once more, carefully match the perspective and size. This time, it's even more important, because we want consistency between scenes. Click Done. I'll keep most of the parameters the same, but now I'll add a reference image. I'll use the image we created earlier, so the AI understands the context. Click Generate. The result looks good, but I want it to match even better. I'll update the prompt white timber porch and clearly mention red brick then generate again. Now the result is much closer to the first scene. We have a white timber frame porch just like the previous image, and the octagonal window has white frame. The red brick is matching. I like this one, so I'll download it. Next, let's clean up the images using Chat. Open the Chat tab and upload the first image. I'll ask it to remove the road sign. Generate. Perfect. Clean result. Now upload the second image and ask it to fix the car on the road. After a few seconds, we get another clean image. Now we're ready for animation. Go to the Video tab. Here you'll see 2 frames. For the first frame, upload the second image. For the final frame, upload the first image. Now add this prompt. Cinematic movement around the house, smooth transition between scenes, circular drone shot, car moving naturally. Click Generate. After a few seconds, these are the results. First one got confused. This one is my favorite. And that's how you create this animation. Now let's do a quick interior example. The steps are exactly the same. Instead of a site photo, I'm using a photo of a living room. And this time, I'll place a 3D coffee table into the space. I'll start by exporting the 3D model as an OBJ file. Just like before. Then I go back to the same tab in Rendair AI. Upload the living room photo. And drag in the coffee table model. I carefully match the perspective and the scale. Then click Done. Now I adjust the settings and add a short prompt. Modern round wooden coffee table. Decorative elements include a tall clear vase with leafy branches. Click Generate, and in just seconds, I get a realistic interior render, with the coffee table placed perfectly in the space. So in this video, we took a 3D model, placed it into real photos, matched the perspective and scale, generated realistic renders, and even turned multiple scenes into an animation. The same workflow works for both exteriors and interiors, all inside Rendair AI. You can use almost any 3D model and place it into real locations with this tool. Try Rendair AI now.